Here's your step-by-step guide of how to go to Boracay Island kapag maulan. Hi everyone, this is I'm the Girl Who Travels and welcome to my vlog. Di ko din alam bakit pero lagi ako nasa Boracay kapag maulan. Anyway, first of course, you have to book a flight to Caticlan, which is the airport nearest to Boracay. I booked mine via Cebu Pacific Air because they have the most frequent schedule of flights to Boracay. I was expecting delays because of the weather, but check-in and boarding was done on time. Hi guys, it's 11:37. Our flight is supposed to depart at 11:45 and the flight is on time. We're moving right now and it's not delayed at all. Kahit masama panahon, medyo umaraw naman na. Yeah. Super bilis nga lang din pala ng flight because in just an hour, you'll arrive in Caticlan already. Dito lang kami natagalan sa baggage carousel ng Caticlan Airport dahil iisa lang ang gamit ng lahat ng airlines na dumadating that time. At dahil gusto ko kayong matuto mag-DIY, dito tayo sa pila ng tricycle sa labas ng airport. 150 ang singil nila dito kahit mag-isa ka or dalawa kayo. Sobrang na-appreciate ko din kasi yung view pag naka-tricycle, but if you want convenience, go book an airport transfer.
Hi guys, ito nga pala yung Tabon Port. Ito yung port nila pagka habagat season, pagka maulan. And kahapon, nag-start na dito yung port ng mga passengers, hindi sa Caticlan Jetty Port. Ayun guys, papasok na kami sa port and naka-iPass naman kami. So bayad na yung environmental fee namin, boat fee, terminal fee. So pwede na kaming dumiretso. Isa-scan na lang yung QR. Diretso na daw sa tourist line and kukuha na lang ng seat number for the boat. Ayan, dito tayo kukuha ng seat number ng bangka. iPass po.
Hello guys, this video is nandito tayo ngayon sa Tabon Port. Ayan po yung mga pangalan mga.
Ay, thank you po. Saan po ang... sige. Okay. Thank you. J-Mag. Pinakamabilis na bangka daw sa Boracay. J-Mag Express. Ito ang Tabon Port guys. Pagbaba nyo, sand na. So pag umulan, basa yung sand. Strike na kami on our way to the hotel located at Station 3. We've arrived at our first hotel. We will stay here for 2 nights.
That's it for this vlog and see you on the next one. Bye!